Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Hello viewers. You are watching 5 Minutes Information channel. I welcome you all. I am Yusuf. This is episode number 102, Collection Development Part 1. In this episode, I will talk about the collection development. Viewer guidance, you can get the notes of this video lecture mentioned on the link of this video description. Here I will talk about the two main points. Number one, what is collection development? And number two, what are the main stages or element of collection development? Point number one, what is collection development? Generally, collection development means to buy or acquire library material for the library users as per the need of the library. According to the International Federation of Library Association and Institution, IFLA, acquisition and collection development focuses on the methodological and topical themes pertaining to acquisition of printed and other analog library material by purchase, exchange, gift, legal deposit, and licensing and purchasing of electronic document and information sources and databases. Collection development generally refers to the acquired library material like books, serial publication, and other reference material for the library. Point number two. What are the stages and elements of collection development? Collection development is a continuous process and comprising 6 elements or stages. Number 1, user need assessment. Number 2, policy development. Number 3, selection. Number 4, acquisition. Number 5, weed out. Number 6, evaluation. I will describe each element one by one. Number one, user need assessment or user need analysis. User need analysis is the process of learning more about a targeted population or library user with a view to identifying their information need. This concept is also referred as community need analysis, or user studies on information need analysis, need assessment, or information audit. Element number 2, policies development. The development and implementation of a collection development policy is a best practice for libraries, archives, and information center. Element number 3, selection. Selection is a continuous process, and selection should involve parent organization on all the stakeholders of the libraries like faculty member, administration, management, and as well as user of the library. Number 4, acquisition. Acquisition means acquire material for the library and purchase material like books, ebooks, magazine, and databases for the libraries and ready them to the user for utilization. Number 5, weeding. Weeding means remove of the outdated and unused collection from the libraries to create proper space for the new collection. Number 6, evaluation. Evaluation means analysis of collection, utilization, and usage statistics to develop future plan as per the reading trends and curriculum need and design and updated time to time domain of knowledge. That's end of the episode number 102, collection development part 1. In this episode I discussed two main points: what is collection development and process or stages or element of collection development. Thumb up if you like this video. and share. Stay connected. I will back soon with another informative episode. Thanks for watching till the end.